French onion soup topped with bread and some cheese. Serve up a big pot for you and your family. Hello, my loves. Hello, and welcome back into my kitchen. My name is Gabrielle Reyes, also known as One Great Vegan. And y'all check it out. Look at what we are making. A big bowl of cheesy, flavor-tastic deliciousness. It is my French onion soup, y'all. And you would have no idea it is vegan and gluten-free and fabulously flavorful. Let's get in the kitchen, let's get going, let's get glowing, and make up ourselves a beautiful bowl of French onion soup. Hello, welcome. If you can't tell, I have a guest here today. I am Gabrielle Reyes, also known as One Great Vegan, and this is...
I am MRLY Jade, also known as MRLY, MRLY.
Hello. What's up? She is a singer,
yes,
a painter,
painter,
artist,
crafter, songwriter.
She does it. She's also my sister-in-law. If you can't tell, she kind of looks a little bit like Ace.
Right. Just
like
a tad.
Just a little bit. Y'all look similar, but also
we have certain features that
her eyelashes are also so curly. I'm so jealous. I'm like, man, girl, you are
the butterfly kisses for days.
We're gonna be making French onion soup topped with bread and some cheese. She knows exactly what we'll make it today. And the way you start off this recipe is with, guess what? Just guess what we're gonna start this with.
Onions?
Yes. Onion soup with onions.
With onions? Of
yes,
course.
onions and vegan butter. Vegan butter. I'm starting off with vegan butter, girl. Yes. It don't really matter how much you start off with. I'm starting off with 2 tablespoons.
Ooh, that already sounds good.
Sizzle, baby. I like to hear that. A lot of people start off French onion soup with olive oil or grapeseed oil, avocado oil, butter. Vegan butter. I mean, you want it to taste like French onion soup.
Right.
You want it to taste meaty, hearty, have all the elements that you like about a French onion soup. You don't want to know it's vegan. You don't want to tell nobody that, so don't tell nobody that. So what we have in here is some vegan butter. As you can see, she melting on down. Whoa! She getting nice.
It smells good. It's just butter.
It's just butter. Onion. Y'all, I have sliced up some onions. You gotta slice them up. Don't dice them. Don't leave them in their whole. Slice up your onions. And we're gonna add them into our pot. You wanna get yourself a handful? Get some onions up in the pot. Woo, woo, woo.
I better not touch my eyes after this.
Oh no, don't do that. Yeah. As you can see, my loves, I am sauteing down these onions. I'm just gonna give them a nice toss in that vegan butter for honestly a pretty long time. We're gonna be sauteing this down for 45 minutes, y'all.
Oh, that's nice.
I know. Well, that's what really gets all the butter in there, and that salt and that pepper we're gonna add in there as well. Once your onions are covered in a nice layer of vegan butter in the pan, I'm gonna add in my salt and my pepper. We are using 1/2 teaspoon of salt as well as 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. 1/2. She said 1/2. Yes, 1/2. Put it in here. You can add in more salt and pepper obviously later. The vegan cheese is gonna add in some saltiness. That's like one of the best salty parts.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying? You don't want to over salt your onions. So let's saute these babies down, y'all. Like I said, we're gonna be doing this for 45 minutes. She got art, y'all. Get ready. Art.
Okay.
What you got?
First things first, so I create all sorts of things. My biggest accomplishment out of my creations are my incense holder bottles that I can show you guys. I'll show you guys the way that it works.
Demonstration!
So this is the bottle. Ta-da! I hope you guys all can see.
What are the holes? Like,
the
how did you do
holes
that?
are, I drill them.
Wow.
I drill all the holes. So it doesn't have to be this many, but I just really
it almost looks like an instrument,
right? Like a flute.
Yes.
So all you do, get a little key ring here, put the incense inside of it. You see, light that on up. This would be great after some French onion soup topped with bread and some cheese.
She knows.
So it'd be great because this is what it looks like, and you get the effect of like beautiful smoky.
Oh, I love it. And are the holes so that it comes out of the hole?
Yeah, it either comes out of these or it just help the air flow up to the top. But yeah, so I make these. I make so many of these.
Oh, I'm in love. Where can we find this?
You can go to my website. Definitely find it on my website.
What's your website, girl?
Unlocked Artistry, spelled normally. unlockedartistry.com/unlocked. You'll see like all of the bottles that I've ever created.
Look at these beautiful caramelized onions, y'all. You saw what we started off with. Just sliced up white onions, y'all. And now they are caramelized after 45 minutes. So I will give you the apple cider vinegar. I will get the W sauce. I'm adding in about 1/2 tablespoon and then about 1/4 of a cup of our apple cider vinegar over there. So in we go. Ooh. That was a nice little sizzle. The other things I want to add in here, I'm going to actually let you hold on to that. This right here is chopped up shallots. It's like a version of onions, kind of in between onion and a garlic kind of taste to it. So we're going to add that in. I have about 2 tablespoons of my shallot. Go on and add that in whenever the people are done looking at it. Go on. Yes, get in there.
Yes.
And then, ooh, fresh minced garlic, about 1/2 of a tablespoon. Going into our pot, we're gonna saute this all together as well. I think it's time to add in our other fun ingredients.
Break it on down. Break it on down. Break it on down. Hey.
Look at what I got right here. I got my veggie broth I was talking about, y'all. And what I've done is I've actually just used some vegetable broth and then I've added in a no beef bouillon cube. Mixed it up, got it nice and hot. We're gonna add it into our pot. I'm adding in about 5 to 7 cups, depending on however much of this delicious soup you are making. Doesn't it look so pretty, y'all? Check, you want to show them up close and personal what I did right here?
Let me just
y'all,
make sure everybody
look
sees.
at that right there. We got some bay leaf as well as some thyme, y'all, fresh. Both of them, and I used some twine. Marley had some twine. I wrapped it on up. That way, they're not gonna become loose within your soup, but you're still gonna get all of that flavor, which honestly, this is my first time ever trying to do this, and it worked so well. And I was like, girl, why have you not done this before? You crazy. So add that on into the pot. In goes
so
our
cute.
fresh herbs. I know, it looks so Christmassy and like spiritual. And what do I got right here? What's this right here? Vegan butter. Into your pot just to add in more thickness, more butter. Why not? French onion soup. We're gonna add on bread and some cheese. Caramelized onions. They make me happy. You know, sing it true. French onion soup. We're gonna add on bread and some cheese. Yes! Serve up a big bowl for you and your family. French onion soup, topped with bread and some cheese.
Break it down.
Y'all, check it out. We got our bowl of French onion soup, and this is delicious just by itself. But we're gonna add on that bread and some cheese. It's like she knew exactly what I was going to say. It's like she knew. All right, grab your bread. However, you can add however much bread on top. I'm adding.
They do like 3.
Oh, I'm adding 4 because I'm that girl. Oh, that's so much better. Look at that. 5 pieces of bread on top. All right, we got our bread. Now's the cheese, the fun part. Ooh, cheese. Load it up with that cheese. Oh, yeah, lots of cheese. There you go. She hot.
Almost didn't leave me in.
I know. I was like,
taking the cheese.
We got another cheese to put on this. Parmesan. Ooh, Parmesan. I'm gonna get a nice little sprinkle of this. It's just adding different flavors, y'all. Of course, fabulous flavor. Give it a sprinkle on top. Oh, cheese. I know a little bit more than hurt nobody. All right, look at this. We have a cheese-tacular bowl right here. I'm gonna bake this up at 455 degrees until the cheese is melty and delicious. And then we can dig on in, my loves.
If you have never seen vegan cheese, it looks like real cheese.
It's real cheese.
It's
I've just
cheese.
decided it is cheese.
It is
at this
cheese.
point.
Right.
A sprinkle over some fresh thyme on top. Just like that.
Hello.
I know we can take it. All right, you ready, girl?
Yes.
French onion soup topped with bread and some cheese.
Oh, The bread is getting away from me.
I'm gonna get some more soup in my bread
right.
too. I just got bread in that one.
Y'all.
That's all I have to say.
Very different reactions, but the same internal reaction.
Oh Lord bless it.
Oh my God.
Child bless. Let me get more of that soup, child. Yo, why is it so good?
So good.
I don't know about you, but this was fabulous. Fun. I learned a lot about Amara.
Yes.
I learned some about myself. I learned about y'all. I had so much fun cooking, creating, getting vibed out with my sister. Like, just my sister at this point, honestly.
Might as well.
Like I was saying, my loves, you can find over 120 recipes, colorful, musical, vibrant, fabulous, at onegreatvegan.com when you order my musical cookbook, Colorful Home Cooking with Gabrielle Reyes. If I don't see you all next time, next Saturday, when we get going, glowing, and growing in the kitchen, don't forget at the end of the day to sing your song, do your dance, and speak your truth. Goodbye, my loves. Bye.
Clearly this is good and I'm taking it away.
Damn.